Good night, it's Fran, and this is Fran Toko Demo. And today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zest DX Rider Capsim Set 04. So here's the box, and we got here are the Capsims, then Kamen Rider Nox, and on the back is everything that you want to know about this. And on the side, we got the content. On the other side, we got the capsims, then the forms, and on the top, we got also the capsims, Kamen Rider Nox, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is, the two additions to Kamen Rider Nox's arsenal. As you can see that they have the same structure as the Shadow Capsim. Let's start with this one, which is the Gun Shadow Capsim that appeared in the last episode. And it had the shade of pink, and as usual, once you press this, that it can reveal once we put it in the driver, which is I'm going to do on the next. And now we brought back again Nox driver, and now let's go. Okay, so now we transform into Gun Shadow or the Nox Gun Shadow. As noticed on the open halves, the first activation, which is in red, features Nox firing on the angle. And the second activation on green also features Nox firing, and the other half is Gun Nightmare. So everybody know that he is the show's first villain, and also where this Capsim essence came from. In this form, Nox armed with a gun turret on his right arm, and it can fire from a flurry of bullets to a single shot enough to break anything, especially Zet's barrier. So now let's do the finisher. Okay, so that's the gun redemption. So no info in or what this kind of finisher is this. So once we press this, which is for the ability, there's no info about it because he only used this form once in the show. Next is the Wolf Shadow Capsem, which has this bright yellow in color, and we will find out once in the driver. So speaking of, let's go. Okay, so now we transform into Nox Wolf Shadow. So the first active state, which in blue, features Nox doing a downward slash, while the second, in pink, Nox is doing the upper sword block, and the other half is Wolf Nightmare, which defeated by Zets 2 episodes ago. So in this form, Nox armed with a blade on the right arm. So no further details about this because it's not yet appeared in the show. So probably next episode, perhaps. So So now let's do the finisher. Okay, so now we got the Wolf Redemption, so probably that will be a slash. So now once we press this, okay, so ability is still unknown. Just like last time, okay, it still do the nightmare thing. Still do the same when we scan it on the phone. And that's it for the DX Rider Capsim Set 04. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, good night, ciao.